Welcome back to Speed Society, where we dive deep into the world of two-wheeled marvels. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250, a bike that blends classic cruiser styling with modern performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your motorcycling journey, the Bolt 250 promises an exciting ride. From its eye-catching design to its peppy engine and rider-friendly features, this bike is set to make waves in the entry-level cruiser segment. So, let's break down everything you need to know about Yamaha's latest offering. The legacy of the Bolt 250. The Yamaha Bolt nameplate has long been associated with accessible, stylish cruisers that deliver a no-nonsense riding experience. The original Bolt 950 earned a loyal following for its minimalist design and reliable performance. Now, Yamaha has taken that legacy and distilled it into a more compact, beginner-friendly package with the Bolt 250. This new model stays true to the Bolt's core philosophy: simple, fun, and full of character, while making it even more approachable for new riders. It's a bike that pays homage to its bigger sibling while carving out its own identity in the competitive 250 cubic centimeters cruiser market. Design and aesthetic. Yamaha has nailed the classic cruiser look with the Bolt 250, giving it a muscular stance despite its smaller displacement. The bike features a low-slung profile, a teardrop fuel tank, and a solo seat that exudes a minimalist vibe. The round LED headlight, blacked-out engine casing, and chrome accents add a touch of retro charm, while the modern finishes keep it looking fresh. The exhaust follows a sleek, understated design, complementing the bike's overall clean lines. Available in a range of bold colors, including matte black, deep blue, and vintage brown, the Bolt 250 is a head-turner that doesn't try too hard. It's a bike that looks just as good parked outside a cafe as it does cruising down an open highway. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Bolt 250 is a fuel-injected 250 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin engine, delivering smooth and predictable power perfect for city commutes and weekend rides. With around 25 horsepower and 18 lb-ft of torque, this engine isn't about blistering speed but rather about accessible, usable performance. The power delivery is linear, making it easy for new riders to manage, while the throaty exhaust note adds to the cruiser experience. The 5-speed transmission shifts smoothly, and the light clutch pull ensures fatigue-free riding in stop-and-go traffic. While it won't win drag races, the Bolt 250 offers plenty of pep for its class, making it a great choice for those who want a fun, stress-free ride. Technology and features. For a bike in its segment, the Bolt 250 comes with a surprising number of modern touches. The instrument cluster is a simple yet effective analog-digital combo, displaying speed, fuel level, and gear position. LED lighting all around ensures visibility, while the inclusion of ABS as standard boosts safety, a welcome feature for new riders. Yamaha has also kept the bike relatively lightweight, making it easy to handle at low speeds. The lack of excessive electronics keeps the riding experience pure, but the essentials are all there, including a reliable fuel injection system that eliminates the hassle of carburetors. It's a no-frills machine, but the features it does have are well thought out and rider-focused. Handling and comfort. One of the Bolt 250's biggest strengths is its easygoing nature. The low seat height, just under 27 inches, makes it accessible for riders of all sizes, while the mid-mounted foot pegs provide a relaxed riding position. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps without feeling too soft in corners. The narrow handlebars offer light steering, making the bike feel nimble in urban environments. At highway speeds, the Bolt 250 remains stable, though it's clearly more at home on backroads and city streets. The single saddle is well padded for short to medium rides, though those planning longer journeys might want to consider an aftermarket seat. Overall, Yamaha has struck a great balance between comfort and agility. Riding experience. Riding the Bolt 250 is all about enjoyment without intimidation. The lightweight and low center of gravity inspire confidence, whether you're navigating tight parking lots or sweeping curves. The engine's friendly power band means you don't have to wring its neck to keep up with traffic, and the exhaust note adds just enough character to make every ride feel special. It's a bike that encourages you to take the scenic route, savoring the journey rather than rushing to the destination. For new riders, it's an ideal machine to build skills on, while experienced riders will appreciate its simplicity and charm. There's something undeniably satisfying about a small displacement cruiser that doesn't compromise on fun. Upgrades. While the Bolt 250 is great straight off the showroom floor, Yamaha offers a range of accessories to personalize it. From windshields and saddlebags to upgraded seats and custom exhausts, there's plenty of room to make the bike your own. The aftermarket scene is also expected to embrace the Bolt 250, with bolt-on parts likely becoming available for those who want a more unique look. Performance mods won't turn this into a speed demon, but they can enhance throttle response and sound. Who is this for? The Bolt 250 is perfect for new riders looking for an easy-to-handle cruiser with classic styling. It's also a great option for seasoned riders who want a lightweight, low-maintenance bike for city commuting or casual weekend rides. Its approachable nature makes it an excellent choice for those transitioning from scooters or smaller bikes, while its design appeals to riders who appreciate the cruiser aesthetic without the bulk of a larger machine. Pricing and availability. Yamaha has positioned the Bolt 250 as an affordable entry into the cruiser world, with a price tag expected to be competitive in the 250 cubic centimeters segment. Exact pricing will vary by region, but it's likely to undercut many of its rivals while offering comparable or better features. Availability should be strong at Yamaha dealerships, with the bike set to hit showrooms in early 2025. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is a refreshing take on the entry-level cruiser, blending timeless design with modern reliability. It's not the fastest or the most feature-packed bike out there, but it excels in delivering a pure, enjoyable riding experience. For those who value style, ease of use, and everyday practicality, the Bolt 250 is a standout option. Yamaha has once again proven that you don't need a big engine to have big fun on two wheels. Thanks for joining us here at Speed Society. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth bike reviews. Until next time, keep the throttle twisted and the rubber side down.